Hey everyone, in this video we will discuss what is a Power Query or what the query means in Power Query. So essentially, for those of us coming from a SQL background, a query is a statement we write and we retrieve the data, but in Power Query it's slightly different. So let's start. So essentially a query would include, so first you'll point to some data source to extract the data, maybe let's say importing some Excel data, and then it will open up that interface. You select whichever file you want, so you're still extracting the data, and then you pull the data, and then once you've pointed your Power Query to a particular data set, it will go and then you can do some transformation. So here you can see we've changed the data type. Again, we are changing some data types, and then you can see that we've done some more transformation here. So essentially Power Query consists of a combination of steps which involve connecting to the data source, transforming the data, and then loading the data, so that data becomes available to us in Power BI. So for example, if you look at the lifespan of a Power Query from the left hand side, let's take Excel as an example. So the top left one, so the data flows from an Excel file, and then you do merge, you could rename, you could filter. So you're essentially transforming the data, and then it gets loaded as a data model in a Vertipack engine, and from there it gets loaded into the Power BI interface. So it basically, you're running or doing a lot of steps which could be one, getting the data, merge, rename, and filter, that's transform data, and then you're loading the data into Power BI. So in this video we've just done a quick discussion around what is a query in terms of Power Query, and what are the steps that it entails. So it contains the whole broad spectrums of extracting data, transform data, and load data. In the next video, we'll do a demo on what a Power Query means and what it looks like in the Power Query interface. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.